this misinformation if it's scientifically backed?
Hi, I'm a chemist and science communicator. I was also cited in the Wall Street Journal article. Hold your applause. The problem with your scientific evidence is that it needs to be interpreted critically in an informed way. Your interpretation doesn't hold any weight if it's a misinterpretation. For example, this first paper here is A, not a study, and B, in a predatory journal. This means that it's not properly peer-reviewed. There are a whole bunch of weird formatting issues with this paper that make it clear there is no quality control going on. This is also not a study, it's a preprint, which means that someone just used Save to PDF and uploaded it. These three studies are in vitro studies, which means that the sunscreen ingredients were added to cells in a petri dish. The second one also has a rat study. Animal and cell studies are preliminary studies. If you actually read them, you'll see they use lots of words like our findings indicate, suggest, could, may. That's because these studies can suggest directions for future study. They can explain what's going on in particular situations in conjunction with other studies. But on their own, they are not solid evidence that these effects will happen when sunscreen is used normally by people. The amounts used aren't realistic. The way cells work in a petri dish isn't the same as how they work inside a human. Rats and yeast, one of the studies was on yeast cells, are not the same as humans. Actual safety assessments look at all of the evidence and put it together like a puzzle. They don't just look at two blue pieces and decide that this must be a lake. This flawed study isn't the only evidence we have that the sun causes skin cancer and sunscreen can help prevent it. It's just one piece of the puzzle that agrees with many other studies, including animal and cell studies.